Hi guys, today I'm back with another quick craft. This one is going to be using UV resin and this mold here, this earring mold. I'm going to use this shape here, the smaller size. I am just going to lay down some clear UV resin in the bottom of this mold. And I'm just going to take a little tool and make sure that the whole of the bottom is coated. Now, I don't know if this will work, but we'll have a go. I've got these little plastic beads. I think I bought them from Shein, but I will list them. I thought, why not see what they look like in clear UV resin? So I'm just going to grab a few and sprinkle them on. Okay, I think I'm just going to go with a little bit more clear UV resin on the top. Super quick craft. And now I'm just going to drag over my UV lamp and I'm going to put them under for, let's see, 2 minutes this side. And then while it's still in the mold, I'm going to flip it over and do another 2 minutes on the other side. And I'll be back. Okay, let's see how this has turned out. Okay, let me put a ring and a hook on this and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it guys, a finished product. So I obviously made another one because I didn't have 2 molds, but overall I think they've turned out super nice and such a quick craft. I have added a jump ring and a hook and they're ready to wear. Well, thanks for watching guys and catch you next time for some more resin crafting. Bye guys.